In this video, we're going to discuss the new button list control in the UX component in version 12, and we're going to discuss how the button list can be used as an alternative display mechanism for radio buttons and checkboxes. So you can see here we have a simple UX component with two controls on it, a radio button and a checkbox. The first control, the radio button, is being populated dynamically with the SQL query against the categories table from the sample Northwinds database, and the checkbox is being populated with a static list of controls. But as you can see, while this might be an appropriate control type to use in a desktop application, for a mobile application these controls represent too small a target for easy access with a touch event. So when we go back now to design mode, we can see that for both the radio button and the checkbox, a new property has been exposed called render as button list. So I'm going to go and turn that on, and I'm going to go and turn that on. So now when we go over to working preview, we can see that the radio button now looks like this, and when an item is checked, we get the little check flag, and then of course the checkbox is going to allow multiple selections. So you can see there we allow multiple selections over there. Now if we go back to the design mode and we change this checkbox to a vertical orientation, we can also customize the actual image that is used to represent the checked state. So you can see here we can bring this up, and right now we're just using a checkbox, but you can use any image that's either built into Alpha 5 or a image from your web project. And of course these controls can be used inside repeating sections. So if I were to go, for example, to this checkbox over here, let's turn it back into horizontal and then wrap it in a repeating section. So we'll go here to containers and wrap it in a repeating section, and then go over to working preview. We can see there's our checkboxes in the repeating section. So the ability to easily take a radio button or checkbox control and convert it so that it displays as a button list is very powerful for mobile applications, and you can see that it's incredibly easily done by just simply checking the render as button list property in the property sheet. Thanks very much for watching.